In today's video, I am going to teach you how to route tickets in Help Desk based on agent skills. We will do this by creating a simple workflow that automatically assigns incoming tickets to the right people based on the skills they have. This is especially useful when your Help Desk covers multiple areas, like billing, technical issues, or account requests, and you want tickets to go to the best available agent without manual triage. Start by opening your Help Desk settings and navigating to Automations. From there, go into Workflows. This is where you build rules that respond to ticket activity, like when a ticket is created or when certain fields change. Next, create a new workflow. Choose the option to create a workflow, then select From Scratch. Building from scratch is helpful here because it keeps the workflow focused, and you will add only the parts you need for skill-based routing. When the workflow type options appear, select Ticket-Based. This tells the system the workflow should watch tickets, not contacts or other record types, so every action you configure is designed around ticket behavior. Now set your trigger. A common and reliable example is ticket category. The trigger is the condition that starts the workflow, so choose a category that matches how your tickets are organized. For best results, make sure your agents or intake forms are consistently setting the ticket category, because the routing depends on that data being accurate. After the trigger is set, add an action called Rotate Record to Owner. This action handles assignment by rotating ownership to team members rather than leaving the ticket unassigned or sending everything to a single person. It is a good choice when you want balanced distribution while still respecting skills. Within that action, select your Help Desk team. This is the pool of agents who are eligible to receive tickets from this workflow. Then find the option for skill-based routing and toggle it on. Turning this on is the key step, because it ensures tickets are routed to agents whose skills match the ticket needs, rather than rotating randomly. Finally, review your workflow quickly to confirm the trigger and the Rotate to Owner action are set correctly. Then click Save and turn on the workflow. Once it is on, new tickets that match the trigger will be routed automatically based on agent skills within the team. That covers everything you need to know.